this world, and welcome to another video. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Eleftheria, although many people call me Ellie because I know my name is quite big and can be pronounced easily. But anyway, let's just keep going on this video. Today I'm going to present you my favorite tools about analytics. And personally, I believe that analytics are really important, and whether you have a website, an app, a YouTube channel, or whatever, you should use analytics. With analytics, you can manipulate a lot of things in order to work in favor of you. So let's get started. Most of the tools that I'm going to present are free, but some of them are also paid. Some of them you can have access for a period time, or you can request a demo. But first I'm going to start with Google Analytics, which I think is the most popular one, and it's totally free. Well, currently I'm in my account and I have a test report here, so this is not my website or this is not my channel, it's just some test results, alright? And I did this because I wanted to show you how it will look like also for you if you don't use analytics, but you are thinking of using a program like this. So the first thing that you're going to see is Google Analytics Home. And then you have some boards, and actually a lot of boards. Google Analytics has a lot of stuff, and you can manipulate the way that they are going to look. So you can add or delete boards, and there are many details that I'm sure you will find them very useful. For example, in the left panel you have your reports and you have your real time, then you have your audience, acquisition, which is one of the most important things. So you have your overview, and again subcategories like all traffic, Google ads, search console, social campaigns, and again, one of the most important thing here is the source, medium, or at least for me, I think it's very important. So you will have an understanding from where your visitors are coming in your website, alright? And of course, referral is something similar to source and medium. Then you have your social, again, super important, like an overview, network, landing pages, convention, plugins, and blah blah blah. Google Analytics is top, and because it's free, I would totally advise you to work with this tool. But let's continue and give a try to another product, another software, which is called Hotjar.com. This is also a very popular software, and pretty much it does everything. So as it says, all-in-one analytics and feedback. Hotjar is a new and easy way to truly understand your web and mobile site visitors. Find your hottest opportunities for growing today. You can try this product for free. Of course, in every website you have to sign in or sign up, both in Google Analytics and in Hotjar, and all in the other softwares. You can see that a lot of people, a lot of big companies are using Hotjar. And then there are a couple of examples with images like heat maps, understand what users want, care about, and interact with one site by visually representing their clicks, taps, and scrolling behavior. So you have a sub-menu with recordings, conversion funnels, from analysis, feedback, and a lot more. Say goodbye to guesswork, from startups to fortune. So there are a lot of examples in Hotjar. I have to say that it's one of the coolest tools. The only negative is that you have to pay for it, but you can have a demo, or as it says, try it for free. As you can see, huge companies are using this software. Let's continue with the third one, which is session, replay, and heat maps. It's called Full Story, and you don't know what you're missing without session replay. And I like their mottos. So Full Story records and reproduces real user experiences on your side, helping you support customers, boost conversions, and debug faster. Here again, you can request a demo or sign up for free. Every time that you have to request for demo, you usually have to give a short message as to why you want a demo, but I think that in most times you will just get it for free for a couple of days. Sorry, not for a couple of days, but for like a short period of time, maybe 30 days, and then you'll have to pay for it or just drop it. This website is very beautiful and it has a lot to offer. I would also advise you to check it out, as you may love this product. Next, we have another cool website which is called optimizely.com. And in this website it says the world's leading experimentation platform. So this is more like a UX thing or like an A/B testing thing. It says Optimizely is the world's leading experimentation platform, empowering marketing and product teams to test, learn and deploy winning digital experiences every time. If you want to start, you have to sign in. There is a free trial if you wish something like that, or else you have to pay for it. As for how it works, first you have your ID 8 and some information about this. Then you have your experiment, which is really cool and one of the most excited parts of your road trip. Then you have your implementation, so you will see what it works and what doesn't. And finally, you have to repeat in order to find the best way in order to success. Again, there are some huge companies that trust Optimizely, and personally, I also think that Optimizely is a great tool. And a lot of big companies use it, so if you have a product that you want to launch or you want to see how it works, then maybe you should also use it. Let's continue to the fifth website, that it's called Splitter. Create an A/B test in seconds, monitor visits and conversion in real time. Great tool, but this is mostly for A/B testing, as of course the name implies. Learn more about Object Splitter A/B testing, and there are a lot of information about how these products work. A/B testing, if you're not familiar with what it is, you have, like, I will give you an example. Maybe you have option A and option B for your product and you don't know what it works best for your clients, what it will give you a higher rate. So with A/B testing you have like option A and option B, and you let user decides. Maybe they click more on option A, so that's what you will keep in your website, but maybe they also click more in option B. So you have these two tests, and in either way you will collect your results and you will continue based on that. So A/B testing is something that all big companies are actually doing. Okay, the last website, so last but not least, we have Upsy. This website is focused on mobile apps and not on websites. It says understand in-app experience like never before. You have a start free trial or request a demo, and again in the demo section you will have to write a short message as why you may need this product. Big companies like eBay, Tripstar or Get are using Upsy. One thing that I really like about this website or this software is like not only the user session recording, but because this is something that other tools will offer you also, but it's that touch heat maps, so you will be able to see where users are clicking more, and this is super important. For example, if you have a button that you want your users to click on it, you should have it like here or maybe here. And if there's something that you don't want your users to hit, you could have it maybe somewhere in this part. So another great tool, but it's only for apps, it's only for mobiles, and you should probably pay for this. Alright guys, that was my favorite websites about analytics, but if you also have some cool websites, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll check them out. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Have an amazing day. Bye.